Ready to conquer your cravings faster and smarter? Let's dive into how you can unlock the full power of the Taco Bell app. First things first, download the Taco Bell app from your device's app store once installed. Open it up, you'll be greeted with the main menu, showcasing exciting categories like taco favorites, specialties, and combos. You can also browse by protein or dietary preference. But here's where the magic happens: customization. Found your go-to crunchy taco. Tap on it and then look for the Customize button. This lets you add or remove ingredients, so you can make every bite exactly how you like it. Want extra nacho cheese? No problem. Skip the pico de gallo, easy. Craving a deal? The Taco Bell app is your secret weapon. Navigate to the deals section, usually found at the bottom or in a side menu. Here, you'll discover exclusive upon-only offers, combos, and discounts that you won't find anywhere else. It's the perfect way to save some serious dinero. Ready to order? Simply add your customized items to your cart. When you're done, tap the cart icon. You'll see your order total. You can then choose to pick up at your nearest location or, if available, opt for delivery. You can securely add your payment information or use saved methods. Get a load of this. You can earn Taco Bell rewards points with every order. As you rack up points, you unlock free food and exclusive perks. Check out the rewards tab to see your progress and what delicious treats you're working towards. It's like getting paid to eat tacos. Placing a mobile order means skipping the lines when you arrive at the restaurant. Just head to the pickup counter. Your order will be waiting, labeled with your name, for a lightning-fast and hassle-free experience. So, download the app, start customizing, snag those deals, and get rewarded while your taste buds and wallet will thank you.